Welcome to Gauge by Test.com, a robust testing platform for companies of all sizes. In this video, we will talk about creating and editing programs in Gauge. Oftentimes, testing and certification is an ongoing process. Gauge makes it easy to manage that process over time through programs or courses. Using programs, you can set up sequential lessons and tests and control how or when they can be accessed and in what order through prerequisites. Let's take a look at how to create a program. To start, we're going to go click on the Manage page, then click on the Programs tab. Then we're going to add a new program. Let's give our program a name. Now, let's then click Add New Program. Alright, let's start off by adding some content to our program. Click on the Content tab. Right now, we don't have any lessons or tests added to our program, so let's click Add Content to get started. On this page, you will notice it contains a mix of tests and lessons that are available to be added to our program. As you can see, a number of these are part of the Job Site Safety folder. I set this up ahead of time to make this step easier, but you can create your own folders under the Settings tab. For our Oil Refinery Safety course, we're going to add all of the Job Site Safety tabs. Then once we have them all, we're going to click Pick Content. Now we can see that we have all of our tests and lessons from that Job Site Safety folder in here. We're going to do a little bit of reordering for our own clarity. We're going to move our CPR Level 1 continued lesson above the CPR Level 1 test. You can do that by clicking this. By default, this list here will establish the prerequisite content, so it is important that you make sure you have everything in the correct order. Before we wrap up, let's look at some of our options. You can find that by coming back under the Options tab. As you can see, we have a number of choices specific to programs or courses, including specifying due dates and accessibility, setting up automatic emails, and requiring elective content. And finally, you also have the option to create custom certificates that can be automatically delivered to the user upon completion of our program or course. And those are the basics of creating and editing programs. But like everything else in Gauge, you have a lot of flexibility on how you configure your programs to meet your unique needs. Be sure to check out our other videos on how to create a test, add media, or add users.